Hi, I'm Christine, and today I'm unboxing my November Ipsy. This month's packaging is way lighter pink than normal. I almost didn't recognize it when I saw it in the mail. So let me rip this right open. Okay, so the collaboration this month is called Betty X Boop or Betty Boop, and the bag is definitely on that theme. The little pull tab is a bee with hearts, and you've got Betty on the front and sequins, black sequins that aren't focusing, there we go, on the back. So I believe everyone received at least one Betty Boop branded product. So I'll try to pull that one out first. As always, we have the card that I guess I could read it. I never read it. Oh, I see. It's Betty Boop X Ipsy, like collaboration little cross. Okay, so my Betty product is, in my hands totally, is Betty Boop branded blush. If you can see that. I got the Be Cheeky Powder Blush in the shade All Dolled Up. Ooh, welcome back. So, take off all the packaging. We've got a red heart on the front that's slightly reflective, and then on the inside, no mirror, but a pretty decent size blush little palette. Now, this palette single is not what I would consider a Betty Boop shade. It's going to be great on me, but I wouldn't consider this very iconically Betty, if you know what I mean. The little swatch of it, since my camera keeps deciding that I am very pale, is about that. So I'm getting a lot of color payout, but I don't think that most people will, given that I am very, very, very pale. It also has a little bit of glitter or luminescence to it, which not everyone likes. There's a better shade. Not everyone likes that in a blush. So this will be good for me, but your mileage may vary. Next up, ooh, okay. So I accidentally did not get a chance to pick a product in my November bag, but apparently most people did. And it's okay because I would have picked this anyway. I got Benefit's They're Real Mascara. Now, I've had this before. I want to say it was with Birchbox like 3 years ago or so, but this stuff is phenomenal. The wand, as I remember it, is ridiculous. Okay, so maybe I'm remembering the wand incorrectly, but I remember this being really fantastic, so no regrets there. I thought that it had like a weird nubby thing on the end of the wand, but maybe I'm thinking of a different Benefit product. Regardless, I remember thinking, they're real. Oh, I wish they were really like this all the time when I last tried it. Next up, we got a brush. The brush is by, okay, I am actually referencing this, Bogoshi Concealer Brush. Awesome. I love brushes. I have tools selected as most often or madly in love with, whatever the highest thing you can put on your beauty survey is. This one, it says concealer brush. I will definitely be using this as an eyelid brush. Oh, nice. I could have used this. Fantastic. Very soft. Very fine on one end, flat on the other. So, it suits me. Next up, we have a product by Marc Anthony. This is the Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a pretty hefty sample. I am not mad at this at all. So this is a leave-in product, which I love because I get split ends pretty darn frequently. And I've had another product by Marc Anthony that smelled amazing. This is a seal inside, so I'm not going to open it just yet because I want it to last as long as possible. I'm currently finishing up a product from another month. Next, we have some skincare. I have the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser, another huge product. In terms of the physical size of my beauty box, this is phenomenal. So I have skincare selected to be very frequent, and I'm going on a lot of trips soon, so this is going to be coming with me because I believe it's under Yeah, this is 1.5 fluid ounces, so airplane friendly. Overall, I'm quite happy with this. I don't super duper love collaborations, but in terms of products I could have gotten, this is a great shade for me. I am madly in love with this mascara. I love brushes. I liked the other product in this line, and I love skincare. So fantastic month for me. Actually, the only ding I would say is that this is real creepy. I don't want to pull this out of my purse and have someone see this. I see this turning into a face mask for a lot of people who got it in their product. Okay, that looks really silly, so I'm going to stop before I continue doing that. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I will see you guys later. Take care.